If you still haven't caught on to the visual content marketing hype, then now is the perfect time to do so. With infographics, even small brands on a shoestring budget have the chance of winning their target audience's attention. Firstly, you'll need a clever idea, an image editing tool, and content distribution channels that can drive traffic to your site. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Let's look at 6 creative ways to use infographics for marketing. Use infographics to spice up landing pages. Infographics grab the audience's attention, quickly highlight key takeaways, and retain engagement until you're ready to bring out your call to actions. Now, where else do these benefits make sense? That's right, landing pages. Rather than using bulleted lists to highlight your value propositions, you can use a custom-made infographic to make them more visible and appealing. Launch them as newsletters. Just like landing pages, newsletters need to be aesthetically pleasing and captivating. The information in it must be presented succinctly while at the same time providing enough detail to encourage clicks. That's why infographics are so perfect for newsletters. Simply design one that follows the usual long format and use it as your newsletter's main body. Repurpose them into slideshows. Considering all the challenges you have to overcome in order to create an effective infographic, it's only reasonable for you to squeeze as much value from them as you can. So, in addition to using infographics for newsletters, you can also repurpose them into full-on slideshows. Offer them in your online course. For those who are still unaware of what online courses can do for your brand, then you're missing out, big time. Not only will the e-learning industry help you position yourself as an expert in your niche, it also presents an opportunity for you to monetize your online content. With infographics in the mix, you should have no problem producing valuable and action-oriented content for your would-be students. Share snippets of your infographics on Instagram. On paper, Instagram sounds like the perfect distribution channel for infographics. After all, an infographic is essentially an image, while Instagram is an image-sharing platform. However, you shouldn't just share infographics through the platform thoughtlessly. A better strategy is to identify segments of your infographic that can be promoted individually, and then post them at different times throughout the day. Create roundup infographics. A roundup infographic is fundamentally the same as a roundup post. It is built with contributions from multiple influencers, can attract tons of traffic through social media, and will improve your brand's authority as an information source. For more information, visit www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org.